Isn't it wonderful now that you are living your dream life? Isn't it so wonderful that your income has been increasing steadily week after week? Isn't it so wonderful that everything is working out perfectly for you? Isn't it so wonderful that all of your intentions are rapidly manifesting faster than you've ever seen before? Isn't it so wonderful that everything is working out exactly on time for you? Do you already feel the essence of those words? Isn't it feel much better than trying to convince yourself, I am wealthy, I am doing well, things are working out? When you put it into a question form, the universe always responds with an answer. And the same thing goes with your thoughts. Every time you think a thought, a feeling responds. Thoughts induce feelings. This method is a really great one. And that's why I'm doing just a short video here, unedited, just raw footage, just to provide you exactly what you need and no fluff. Try doing this method at least 5 days in a row. I'd watch this video over and over every day during the 5 days so you ingrain it in the awareness of the mindset so that your awareness, along with the method, is what transforms and manifests. Manifesting is bending reality or shifting reality or tuning into a frequency where your desires are already yours. I want you to remember that. Remember that this world has many, many worlds stacked on top of it, but you can't see it because you're not tuned into it. The spirit world is right here, right in this moment. But we can't actually see sometimes the spirit world, and sometimes we can, because that's when we're tuned into the ability to see it or not. Your desired world, your future reality, the one you're looking to manifest and attract into your life, is actually right here in this moment, stacked on top of where you're at right now. You just can't see it because you're not tuned into it all the way. You sometimes tune into it when you visualize, but then you come back out of it and then you tune back into your familiar reality that feels comfortable, familiar, and normal. And so that's why there's this off-balancedness between tuning into what you're wanting, coming back to reality, and feeling like nothing's happening. If you can broadcast the signal of that frequency you're desiring to be in and maintain that broadcast, that's when reality starts to flip the station, just like a TV channel, a radio station. You're not getting a new TV or a new radio every time you change the station. You are merely shifting the frequency of what you're viewing. Does that make sense? So if you're on the news channel and you want to go to your sports channel, you don't go to your store and buy a new TV. What do you do instead? You take your remote and you flip to a different channel, which is a different frequency, and what you see on the screen changes. We're doing that as an interface right now in our brain-mind connection to physical matter and physical reality. So what we're doing in this essence is we're tapped into a frequency, and if we change the channel of what we're viewing inside, we start to view the outside, the outer reality, as that same channel within. So using this method in this question will allow you to tap into that desired frequency and maintain that frequency even better from here. Isn't it so wonderful that this thing has now happened? Once we tune into that frequency, you want to maintain that duration moving forward. Couple of things before we conclude the video. Make sure you watch until the end. First thing, comment below the method filling in the blank of what your intention is. So you want to go ahead and comment, isn't it wonderful that my income is increased by $10,000 per month? Isn't it so wonderful now that I have my soulmate in my life, right? So whatever your intention is, already start practicing it by putting that in the comments below. And throw a like on this video, just saying out loud and acknowledging and recognizing, yes, I'll focus more on tuning into the right frequency than trying to manipulate physical matter and make it happen all the way. Yes, action is a part of the process, but the internal frequency tuning into is number one priority first. So throw a like on the video if you're okay claiming that and saying, yes, I'm going to focus on that from here on out. In this space of frequency shifting, you get into a space of less neediness. You care about it, but you don't care that much. You see the difference there? I want the thing, but I don't need the thing. I feel it's here, but if I don't ever receive it, it's fine. That's the energy you maintain in your broadcast. I don't need it. I'm not attached to it. Law of detachment, I understand. I will let and allow and surrender to the field of this frequency and allow myself to become that frequency field rather than needing something to happen. And from that place, things start to move forward. Comment the word truth below to already start ingraining these as your new truths on how you consciously live and manifest in your life from here. Okay, really important. If you're ready for step-by-step guidance as well, link in the description below for my course, which I can help you further from here on step-by-step directions, what to do exactly every day, every week. It's a very full curriculum on what you'll need to do every day, so it makes it very easy for you instructions-wise. And share this video with at least one other person. Let's you and I together raise the consciousness of this world. It could be a friend, a family member. It could be posting on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. The more people you can share this with, the more our consciousness of the world is going to start improving, knowing how to consciously manifest and how to consciously heal. Haug signing off here. Watch this video 5 days in a row. I look forward to seeing you over in the next video.